If you're looking to grow fresh herbs, vegetables, or flowers indoors, the Ivation 11-pod Indoor Hydroponics Growing System Kit is a top-notch choice. This all-in-one indoor garden starter set comes complete with everything you need to start cultivating your own plants at home. With its 11-pod capacity, you can grow up to 11 different plants simultaneously, making it perfect for creating a diverse indoor garden. The kit includes 30 seeding sponges, 15 baskets, a measuring container, tweezers, and 5 planting hats, ensuring you have all the tools necessary for a successful planting experience. One of the standout features of this hydroponic system is its smart LED lighting system. It boasts 125 ultra-bright mini LED lights that automatically cycle on and off to mimic natural day and night conditions. The lamp is fully adjustable, allowing you to optimize coverage and achieve the ideal angle as your plants grow. This ensures your plants receive the perfect amount of light for healthy development. The Ivation hydroponic system utilizes a 100% natural water and light-based growth process, which promotes faster and healthier plant growth compared to traditional outdoor gardening. The kit also includes 2 chemical-free nutrient concentrates to give your plants the best possible start. Not only is this system functional, but it also makes a thoughtful gift for both kids and adults. Whether it's for a birthday, a rainy day activity, or an educational tool, this indoor hydroponic kit is a delightful choice. You can grow a variety of plants, including mint, basil, cilantro, dill, rosemary, oregano, parsley, lettuce, tomatoes, and more. If you're looking to bring the joy of gardening indoors, the Ivation 11-pod Indoor Hydroponics Growing System Kit is an excellent investment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.